Hello students, in Civics Chapter 1, the role of the Constitution and the need for laws, I taught you about what a constitution means and about the Constitution of India. We also studied about why do we need a constitution and the need for laws in life. We did two case studies. One was about dowry and the other was about female feticide. Then we did the constitution as a primary source of all laws, rule of law, what do you mean by law and dissent, and again we did two case studies, the salt satyagraha and anti-liquor agitation. Now today I will teach you up chapter number 2 of civics. In this chapter we will study about features of our constitution. In this we will examine the key ideas and principles enshrined in the Constitution of India. One of the best ways to do so is by examining the preamble to the Constitution. The preamble is an introduction to the Constitution. It outlines the objectives of the Constitution and the vision guiding it. Now, I will read out the preamble to the Constitution of India. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Now students, in my next video, I will teach you about the terms in the preamble used to describe our country and its goals. Thank you.